So this race you mentioned, when's it happening?
Hop in, I'll tell you. Drive to this location. We have to meet Racer Girl.
Who's Racer Girl?
She's Racer Girl.
Oh, gotcha.
So, Muscle, what made you decide not to take a dive like Frank wanted you to?
Nothing. Holston went down too easy. Hell, I wouldn't be surprised if someone paid him to take a dive.
Huh. So, why stick around if Frank is out for your head? Why not just leave Vegas? Go somewhere nice, like Reno.
You don't run from a guy like Frank. Go to Bermuda, there's a cabana boy packing a submachine gun with your name on it. And besides, fuck him.
Now you're talking. F him in the A.
I'd be better if I had some of your bitches brew.
A new batch will be ready tomorrow, my sweet.
That's what I like to hear. Who's your friend?
Jason, meet Racer Girl. Racer Girl, Jason, a new driver.
Sweet. Hope you can keep up. You driving too, E?
No, just along for the ride.
Then hop in. Show's about to start.
With the law?
All I did was drop a roofie in that beefcake's drink. I'm 3, 2,
I'm Slim, the man brother, and
Go!
I'm here to protect your rights and your dignity. Doesn't matter if you just bumped an ounce and blew through 8 red lights, or if that sweet nugget you walked over the derby turned out to be 14. We got a little thing in this country I like to call the Consta-freaking-tution. Hear that? America's on your side. No matter what the situation, no matter what the body count, I'm willing to get my hands dirty for you. So when you need a friend, you give me a call at 555 be silent.
Stands the man, man, come be all your push and go, and my man, your prove it.
Nice!
Seems like you could really handle some dangerous curves.
I can handle anything you throw at me.
Good to know. There's always other races going on in Vegas, you know. If you find yourself strapped for cash, hit one up.
Yeah, I might do that.
See you around.